In this module, we are going to explain what maintenance actually is. We are firstly going to look at the purpose of maintenance within asset management. We will then identify the two types of maintenance and the stages which compose them. Let's firstly look at what maintenance actually is. Maintenance is a set of operations carried out with the objective of maintaining an asset or a set of assets and any associated equipment in a normal state of operation, in order that services can be provided in a satisfactory manner. In concrete terms, carrying out maintenance equates to inspections, checks, and maintenance operations on assets to ensure that they are all operational. Maintenance is now a key element in asset management in the industrial sector. The main objectives of maintenance are to optimize the performance, the reliability, and safety of assets, to reduce costs, malfunctions, and risks with respect to assets. Achieving these objectives involves repair and rehabilitation stages and requires a good organization and administration of the tasks to be accomplished, as well as maintenance team supervision. From a practical viewpoint, maintenance operations are generally presented in a document in the form of a table, known as a maintenance plan. For every activity listed in the maintenance plan, known as a maintenance task list, we indicate the asset or set of assets, the maintenance tasks to be performed, the frequency of realization of these tasks, based on a calendar schedule or based on the number of hours of operation with respect to the equipment concerned, the standard duration of the maintenance task, and the persons qualified to perform these tasks. Maintenance can consequently be planned on a long-term basis for all of the system's assets. Let's now identify the two types of maintenance: preventive maintenance and remedial maintenance. Preventive maintenance is anticipatory maintenance. It consists in carrying out regular checks on assets, from simple visual checks to maintenance operations requiring the asset to be dismantled. The objective is to avoid a possible breakdown able to provoke serious damage to the system. The maintenance plan namely lists preventive maintenance operations. Remedial maintenance is active maintenance. It consists in going into the field to repair or renew an asset when a malfunction is detected. Every type of maintenance is governed by a decision-making process, which leads to the best adapted maintenance operations being selected. Let's begin with preventive maintenance. The first decision to be taken is whether or not the maintenance operations to be carried out must be put in place systematically or conditionally. If it is systematically, a schedule is fixed. Otherwise, it's necessary to check on the condition of the asset or check its number of operating hours. Lastly, we define the maintenance operations to be carried out: an inspection, a check, or a visit. If malfunctions are detected during preventive maintenance operations, remedial maintenance is put in place. With respect to remedial maintenance, once a malfunction has been detected, we determine whether or not it is a partial malfunction or a breakdown. The necessary repairs are then carried out accordingly. The main points to be remembered with respect to asset management maintenance are: maintenance corresponds to all of the operations carried out with the objective of maintaining an asset or a set of assets in a normal state of operation. It is organized according to a maintenance plan. The main objectives of maintenance are to optimize the performance, reliability, and safety of assets, and to reduce the costs, malfunctions, and risks relating to the assets. We differentiate between preventive maintenance, which anticipates operations, and remedial maintenance, which is reactive. Each of these two types of maintenance is governed by a decision-making process.